Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into a handy tutorial on how to archive and recover cards in Trello. First off, find the card you want to archive. You might do this to declutter your board, especially if you have completed tasks. Once you've found the card, click on it to open. Next up, look for the More option on the right side of your card and click on it. This helps us because it shows additional options, including the one we're interested in, the Archive button. Click on it, and there you go. Your card is now archived. The reason we do this is to keep our boards organized without losing the information on the card. Now that we've done that, what if you change your mind or need to retrieve an archived card? Let me explain how to recover them. On the board menu, find and click on More, then select Archived Items. Here's where it gets interesting. You'll see a list of all your archived cards. Find the card you want to recover and click on it. Now, you'll see the Send to Board option. Click on it, and voila, your card is back on the board. This is crucial because it allows you to retrieve important cards that you might need for future reference. Finally, you can also choose to delete the card permanently if you don't need it anymore. However, remember that once you delete it, it's gone for good, so always make sure you won't need that card in the future before making this decision. Now you know how to archive and recover cards in Trello. It's all about keeping your workspace clean and organized, while also ensuring you can always access the information you need. And that's it for today's tutorial. Practice these steps, and you'll be a Trello pro in no time. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.